What's up, guys? This is Dr. G. How you doing, family? I know it's been a while since we've had a video, and this is going to be a good one, a quick one, hopefully. Today, I had one of our patients ask us, what are the proper stretches to do at our desk? A lot of us have a desk job where we have a laptop, we've got our desk, and we sit here and we crunch in on our work and we get focused on our work. And a lot of times that is what takes us out of our adjustment. That's what takes us out of our alignment. And that's what really ultimately creates this pattern that our body has that just, it holds on to this flexed position. Our bodies were meant to move and do things all day long. They were not meant to sit at a desk and look at a computer screen. So one of the first things that we want to do with exercises at our desk is get out of your desk. You have to get out of your desk. I tell all my patients that have a desk job that we go over this. If you're one of my patients, you know this. You want to try to get up out of your desk at least once every 45 minutes to an hour. I know it sounds like a lot, but your body will hit that reset button and give you an opportunity to not continually create the same pattern that just has this longer and longer lasting effect. We want to hit the reset button so the body doesn't even have a chance to hold on to it. Now, before you even do that, the number one thing is you have to get adjusted. If you don't get adjusted, you cannot even access good posture. You can't get out of this position, right? Our body basically creates this mold and casts this mold, and it creates a hand that's almost on our back all day long. You try to fix your posture, you get that burning back pain right between the shoulder blades. Your body doesn't want to open up, and then you're exhausted by the end of the day and you're like, forget about it. I'm done. I'm causing more pain because we haven't accessed that range of motion. So you want to get adjusted first, get that upper back to be able to open up, get that head back over the shoulders, and get out of your desk. Get up, get away from it. Now, if you have the opportunity to get a setup where you can have standing and sitting positions, that is ideal. And you want to change that every hour to 2 hours. So let's do an hour down, an hour up, 2 hours down, 2 hours up, and change it back and forth. Ideally, every half hour up and down would be amazing, but a lot of times you just get lost in what you do. So to go back and forth between the hour to 2 hours is fairly reasonable, but you still, whether you're standing or sitting, it's just getting away from what you're doing for 2 or 3 minutes, really, every 45 minutes to an hour. And get out of the desk, get up, stand up and do something, whether it's doing high knees like this. We want to get that blood flowing into the core, into the lower back, because what happens is our body starts to shut off, muscles start to shut off, our core starts to shut off, and we need to just get it moving. So we want to kind of open up into that extension. I'm not sure if you can see me right now, but we want to open up into that extension and get the chest, get that chest to open up here and get the head back, right? We want to get all of that opened up, and you want to get that blood circulating in that lower back and the hips so that you're not having this constant lower back pain from just that slouch, right? We want our muscles to hold us up. Our muscles are what is designed to hold us up, not our spine. But as we get tired, our body shuts these muscles off to try to have efficiency, and we end up sinking into it. Another thing that you can do to kind of help counteract looking down all day is laying on a frozen water bottle. Depending on the size of your neck and the shape of your neck, 16 to 20 ounce bottle, water bottle, just regular round water bottle will work. What you want to do is you want to lay it back here like this, and you want to lay flat on the floor. You're going to do this 10 minutes a night. Now, this is just to help kind of take the stress out of the neck and kind of opens up the neck a little bit, tries to put that curve back into the neck. Looking down all day, if you ask your chiropractor, we can feel how much you look down. We can feel how the neck starts to come back like that. And that is a lot of time what causes that tension in the neck, that causes headaches. It all leads to it. So this is one of the things that you can do to try to help counteract that. It's 10 minutes a night, literally flat on the floor, no phone, no TV, listen to music or something. Do that for about 4 to 6 months solid. This does not replace the adjustment, it goes with the adjustment. Because if you're not getting adjusted and you're laying on this bottle, most likely it's not gonna be as effective. It may not work at all. Now, if your body cannot tolerate that full 10 minutes, you may have to work up to it. Ice sucks. We all know that. It does. It's cold, it doesn't feel good, but you go through the stages where it's cold and then that little bit of pain starts to come in because your body's recognizing how cold it is, and then your body starts to get numb. And that area starts to get numb, and that's where you start to really get the benefits of that ice, where it brings down the inflammation and helps the body to calm down. I hope this was helpful for you guys. Remember, get out of your desk once every 45 minutes to an hour, just 2 or 3 minutes. Do your high knees. You can do some twists. Open the head, open the chest and the neck up. And then when you get home at night, do your 10 minutes on the water bottle. Guys, this was Dr. G with Be Organic with Dr. G. Thank you so much for participating, watching the videos, liking the videos, commenting. If you haven't had access to them on Facebook, you can reach these videos at Be Organic with Dr. G on YouTube. I just put it out there for you guys to be able to find as easy as possible. Hope you guys have a blessed day. Take care. Bye.